we know first party data is super powerful, and what I'm wondering is, do either of you have any, point of view on how first party data can make first party data plus AI can make third party data better, and make deployment across a list of publishers better, and make deployment across something like, programmatic CTV better.
Yeah, I think finding those high valued first party audiences and identifying, utilizing, AI in terms of creating almost like a lookalike audience that you can utilize third party and finding similar customers, but also learning and growing your audience because you have your first party solid audience who are brand adopters who believe in your product, but understanding that you can reach additional customers through you learning who your first party clients are, and then enabling AI and also layering on strategic third party segments that will not only influence like positively influence your buy, but also gain more first party data, more first party customers, potentially sway competitors, um, to kind of continue to grow that brand and brand awareness as well as customer base.
So back to the theme, clarity on customer behavior, and think about how AI can lock that. AI can power up understanding of first party audiences and power up usage and application of first party audiences in a way where, customer behavior understanding is supercharged, and there's
Yeah.
a halo effect then on other things you do when you're kind of starting from this first party AI powered vantage point where it makes everything else you're doing work a lot better and smarter.